Nagpa-flower kami, bigay niyan.
Higher, there you go, right there.
Oh.
Every day is a blessing, something to be thankful for.
Isa pa. Okay. Alright. So, yan. Magluluto tayo. Ginataang aligi. Ginataan. Yung ingredients. Ginataan. Of course, coconut milk. Yan lang. Yan yung meron dito sa Amerika. So, tatry tayo. First time natin magluto ng ginataan. Yan yung napa cabbage. And then, meron tayong, of course, onions, garlic, and ginger. At yung aligay ng talangka na giant. And of course, lagyan natin ng, papakulo ako ng mais at potato. May patatas, russet potato. So, we're using russet potato. So, yung mga taga rito na friendship ko would ask. So, I just have corn. And then there's a russet potato there, if you can see there. Yeah. Russet potato, and then this, the crab, wild cooked crab, Dungeness crab, I don't know how you say it. So, ayan na lang para ano. Nabili natin sa Costco. And we have ginger, we have garlic and onions, and then the napa cabbage, and of course, the coconut milk and the evap milk. Okay, so gisa lang yan. Pwedeng igisa nyo, pwedeng hindi. And then, ito-throw natin dyan. That's it. We have the ginataan crab. What do you call this? Dungeness crab sections. Wild cooked Dungeness crab sections. So, luto na yan for those. These are already cooked. Pre-cooked. Kaya, pinapalamot ko na itong mga ito para mabilis na lang after that's why I'm trying to boil this so be cooked so it's gonna be quick, and yeah, and then we can saute it quickly because I don't need to overcook this so it won't be like, you know, very hard and yeah, like sticky thing when it's overcooked, so it's gonna be hard. We're gonna saute it. So at least it will be cooked. It will be quick because we don't want the meat of the crab. We want the meat of the crab become tender, you know. So it's gonna be so yummy to eat. Okay. Ang hirap mag-glass. Dugo na ilong ko. My goodness. All right. So yan. I think luto na tong ano. So we're gonna start sauteing and cooking it. Alrighty. A little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Yan, konti lang. So we put oil. Lagay tayo ng mantika. And unahin natin siguro yung unahin to kasi medyo matagal. Gusto ko medyo sunog. Yan. Unahin natin yan. Alright. Natin yan. And then oh my god. Kalat natin para put is the onions, red onions. So, kung aka red onions, whatever onions that you have, whatever is available in the house, you can use it. So, kung wala kayong sibuyas, next natin, first yung ginger and then luya sa Tagalog, and then we put the onions. Sa Tagalog, sibuyas. So, we'll just wait till the onions get cleared. Hintayin lang natin hanggang ang sibuyas and maybe malinaw na. So, there. Me, I wanted to cook it like a little brown. Yung sunog. Ano yan? Just not burnt. Okay, you wanna burnt, but because if it's burnt, medyo mapait. So if you burn it, it's kind of like, you know, bitter tasting. So it would be better. Tama lang. Yan. So the onions, we'll see the onions like it's popping. Hear the sound? Popping. And after the onions, we put the garlic. Ang garlic optional, ha? You can put the garlic, you can put or not the garlic, but I wanted to. So optional, the garlic will be optional. Also, dun sa mga nasa Pilipinas, friendship natin dyan, yung garlic, ang garlic, yung Tagalog garlic is bawang. So yung mga bawang natin dyan, pwedeng optional, pwedeng wala yan. Pwedeng wala yung garlic. I want to put like, and then sisihin na natin dyan yung crab o yung aligi. Okay. Ang habol ko dyan guys is, ang habol ko dito guys talaga actually, natanggal mo yung isang is yung ano lang, yung soup, gagawa kasi gusto ko lang talaga gumawa ng soup. But since, alright, okay, so, kuha tayo ng ano, matibay-tibay na sandok. Favorite ko kasi yung sandok na ano, na red. So, ganyan, yun lang. Natin kasi baka matunog yung ano. Haliin lang natin ang halo. Balibag tayo ng konti. I think so, isimmer natin ng konti. Then, ilagay na natin yung, gusto ko sana medyo ano pa, lagay na natin yung ito, lagay na natin yung ouchie. Okay, lalagay na natin itong pinakulong we're gonna put now what we boiled before, but we cook this. Oops. See that? The corn. Okay, I smell it. As much as I don't sana cook, see, overcooked yung, but I smelled it already. Oh, there. So, yan. Then, yung napay lalagay na lang natin later pagka kumulo na. So, dagdagan natin yung water. Some water. It smells so good. Ang bango na, guys. Alam niyo yun, yung ginisa. It smells so good. Maganda sana kung lalagyan ko pa ng butter, guys. Pero hindi na ako nalagyan ng butter. Gusto ko lang sana din isang optional na cooking is walang saute. Just the other optional that you can cook is you don't need to saute. You just put everything here. Okay. So yung sa mga friendship natin sa Pinas. Ayoko pwede rin yung hindi mo na igigisa. I-ano mo na lang, tawag dito, i-dump in mo na lang lahat, ilagay mo lahat. Then it will be good. Yan, ganyan lang gusto ko. Okay, bok choy, sana lalagay ko din yung bok choy na cabbage, pero next time na lang. Ito na muna kasi ito yung ni-request ng asawa ko. Gusto niya yung I forgot yung patis. Gusto niya yung gusto niya yung tawag dito, yung itong napa cabbage na to. So lagay na natin yung napa cabbage. Lagay na rin natin to. There. Kasi ayokong i-overcook yung talangka. Ah! Somebody fell. Okay. Somebody fell. So we put the napa cabbage now. Sa Pilipinas, di ko alam ng tawag dito pero repolyo to ng parang repolyo Baguio. Yun yata yun. Pero repolyo siya, ha. Okay. Wow. Yung asawa ko nagluto ng tri-tip. Ayan siya. Ayan, kinukot niya. Binibake namin yung tri-tip. Hi!